Where would be the best place to go to learn how to do PPC ourselves?
So there's plenty of courses out there, but be careful because there's plenty of fake gurus out there as well that are using, strategies that are no longer working on Amazon. I've always subscribed to YouTube University. I would say the Mastery Summits is a place where I learned a ton. So definitely, you know, join Kevin in the Mastery Summits. There's so many experts in there giving away just so much free information. And just I say YouTube University is the best. Remember, Amazon has a ton of free resources as well to really get the basics under control. And then just you're gonna learn the most by testing it. But myself and many other Amazon advertising agencies offer free audits on accounts. So take advantage of that, get the free audits, get experts' opinions, and just keep learning as much as you can. Try not to change things too much, because one thing I'll notice people do is they'll watch a video on a new strategy, pause all their campaigns, and start from scratch.
Yes, I've seen that too.
I seen that today, right? I had a guy I talked to today, and that's what he did. He took a course, paused everything that had years of data, and he started from scratch. So don't do that. Just start pivoting over time, right? Let's say you have hundreds of keywords in your campaigns right now, and a lot of them are making sales. Don't all of a sudden pause that and start 5 keywords per campaign. Just from now on, do 5 keywords per campaign. Keep the campaigns running that are doing well, and just implement those new strategies as you go.
Yeah, and that's a good point that, don't get too excited and don't get too worked up. Don't get too excited about good results or the latest shiny object, and don't get too depressed if things aren't going well. I remember when I first started and I have one product, this is back in 2016. It would be like 11 o'clock. I didn't have as many sales as I thought I should have or whatever. And I'm like freaking out. I'm like, give it time. Give it time. Sometimes the data is slow to catch up. If you're looking at things like on a minute by minute standpoint, you're looking at it too often. Now you don't want to wait like a year to optimize your campaigns, but there's a healthy medium. But yes.
Real quick to speak on the last thing too is what you said with the shiny object syndrome. Be careful of that too, because Amazon recently rolled out sponsored TV ads, and I had a client that was just like, "Hey, we need to get this going. We need to get this going," and I've already tested it with several accounts. Haven't seen the best performance, and he went ahead and launched it. His cost per click was $70.
Oh my God!
And he has a $20 product. So I'm like, "Are you happy now? Can we shut this off?"
Right.
So,
and I'm sure the conversion rate was probably horrible too.
Oh yeah, it was bad.